Hi, my name is Dr. Don Wicker, and today we're going to continue our lecture series in organizational behavior, and our topic today is motivation through goal setting. All right, our learning objectives and motivating through goal setting. Motivating through goal setting, what exactly are we going to look at today? Well, we're going to look at goal setting, how it affects performance, how goal setting, on-the-job satisfaction and performance are related, and we're going to end it with rewards for fostering high performance in goal setting. Okay, let's get into our subject matter, the importance of goal setting. What is the importance? Of course, we know that goals guide and direct behavior. They provide challenges and standards in which performance can be assessed. Goals, again, justify our task. Goals give us a defining function. Goals serve as a defining, organizing function in our process of achieving a specific task. And if you think about the impact of performance, goals on performance, the impact, when goals are vague, when goals are boring, easy, performance tends to be lower. However, when goals are specific and clear, when goals are challenging, when goals are set participatively, there's a higher performance, a chance of performance being achieved. And we could take that argument into management. Think about management. When goals are set by top management and filtered down, performance will tend to be lower. Of course, when goals are accepted by employees, when goals are accompanied by rewards, there's a higher chance of performance being achieved. And we could also say the opposite as far as employees rejecting goals or goals that are unrelated to reward systems that are set up by a company. Of course, performance will tend to be lower. When goal commitment is strong, when is goal commitment strong? Well, of course, public commitment to achieving the goal, a strong need to achieve, believing in personal control. Of course, you start thinking about personal control, you start thinking about internal locus of control. And of course, our internal locus of control is being more in control of our lives. Participatively setting the goal. Positive outcomes depend on goal achievement. And when we expect punishment for not achieving a goal, when we perceive there's equitable distribution of rewards. The characteristics of useful feedback are describe rather than evaluate, timely, not judgmental, focused, concrete, specific, and graphic. Those are the characteristics of useful feedback. And you think about those useful feedback characteristics, all we're talking about is the communication skills that are involved. Why goal setting motivates high performance? Well, we know that difficult but achievable goals prompt people to focus on achieving the goals. And difficult goals motivate people to spend time and effort on developing methods for achieving their goals. And we know that difficult goals increase people's persistence in achieving their goals. And if you think about any goal that if you tried to achieve in the past, when it was difficult, it motivated you to achieve that particular goal. Why goal setting works? Well, as I said earlier, goals serve as a directive in function. It serves as a guide. And goals have an energizing function also. You think about something that you've seen on paper to help you or prompt you to achieve a particular goal. Goal affects persistence, action positively, of course, and commits people to behavior. Goal setting always commits people to behavior. But there are also some limitations to goal setting. Employees that lack the competencies to perform a particular goal, when considerable amount of learning is involved in trying to achieve a goal, and when goal setting system rewards the wrong behavior. Those are limitations. Potential consequences of dissatisfaction when you think about goal setting. What are the potential dissatisfaction consequences? Well, you have job avoidance. You could have absenteeism. You could have psychological deficiencies. You could have defiance. You could have aggressiveness. These are all the potential consequences of dissatisfaction. But some of the implications of goal setting model for employees and managers, of course, provide framework for diagnosing potential problems. You think about it, if you set goals, you may be able to discover the potential problems. You can also provide advice on creating a high-performance work environment and show system factors affecting the achievement of high performance. Reward factors involved in motivating high performance. And when you think about the reward factors, of course, in motivating high performance, we have several. We have availability, we have timeliness, we have performance contingencies, we have durability, equity, and visibility. Those are all involved in the reward factors in motivating high performance. And that concludes our lecture series number 6, Organizational Behavior. Again, our topic was motivating through goal setting. And we want to thank you again for viewing this particular lecture series, and we look forward to talking to you again regarding organizational behavior.